It's a new 2019 GMC YUKON XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this YUKON XL has even more of it. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmonds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.